The National Weather Service has issued an unknown activity warning. This warning has been issued by the Denver Police Department 1 hour ago. People have been reporting that they heard some strange sounds from the sky. People thought it was thunder, but radars saw that there was no thunderstorm issued for the Denver area. But people think it was a tsunami. But the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration said there was no strong winds in the area. If this gets any more severe, we will issue an immediate evacuation warning. Stay calm and we'll sort this out. This is an immediate evacuation for Denver. Someone has gone insane. If he goes fully insane, he'll cause a line of destruction that will kill 2,296 people. Seek shelter now or evacuate. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Turn off all heating, electricity and phones, as this will get the person's attention. So, read these instructions. Seek shelter, evacuate, use any defense weapon, and don't go outside as this will put your life at risk. I will let you know when this is over.